Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Buffer for content calendar and analytics step by step clearly. Visit the Buffer website at buffer.com. Click on the Get Started button located on the homepage. You will be prompted to create an account. Fill in your email address and create a password. Alternatively, you can sign up using your Google or Facebook account. Once your account is created, you will receive a confirmation email. Check your email and click on the confirmation link provided. After confirming your email, log in to your Buffer account. You will see various subscription options tailored to your needs. Select the plan that includes the content calendar and analytics features. Click on the Choose Plan button next to your desired subscription. You will be directed to the payment page. Enter your payment details in the provided fields. Review your order and payment information to ensure everything is correct. Once your payment is processed, you will gain access to Buffer's features. Navigate to the Content Calendar dashboard to get started. Here, you can schedule your posts and review analytics. Explore the interface and familiarize yourself with the tools available. Utilize the resources and help sections for any additional guidance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restart. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.